1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody's knocking at your door.
Who's there? Who are you? How did you know that?
5, 6, 7, 8. Answering the door will be a mistake. Sweetie, did you already finish studying?
Yeah, Mom, I'm done studying. I'm just heading to bed, okay? Just keep that door locked.
Brianna,
Yes, sir?
I need you to come see me after class. We need to talk about your grades.
Okay, yeah. You asked to see me, sir?
Your grades have been declining exponentially. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody's coming to the door.
Somebody's coming to the door.
Excuse me?
I need to lock that door!